Sing Sing, the Lazy Little Bird. This story is built on the original story The Lazy Little Bird, written by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Once upon a time there was a little bird called Sing Sing. He was a happy little bird who liked to play with his friends and flying around. But he was also very lazy. And sometimes the laziness made him trouble. Sing Sing liked very much flying around with his friends, enjoying the Swedish summer. They had a lot of fun. Because Sing Sing was lazy, he liked to sleep in the mornings. His friends had a hard time trying to wake him up. "Wake up!" they yelled at him. "Come on, Sing Sing, let's go out and play." But Sing Sing, he was so tired. "Oh, there is no hurry," he said. Later on, let me sleep, please." Anyhow, the whole summer went on, and Sing Sing and his friends were flying around and had a good time, with no problems. By the end of the summer, all the birds started to prepare for the long journey to a warmer country. All of them were preparing. But not Sing Sing. "I'll prepare another day," he told himself. So he didn't prepare at all. And one day, when he woke up, he was alone. His friends had tried to wake him up. "Sing Sing, wake up! We have to leave now." "Oh, I'm so sleepy. I'll catch up with you later." All birds know the rules. Everybody have to be ready on the day for the long journey. No one will wait. So that day, when Sing Sing woke up, he was alone. He started to look for the others, but he couldn't find them. But he could see signs of autumn. Fields that had turned yellow, leaves in the colors of autumn, yellow, brown, orange, and golden. Some trees didn't even have any leaves on them. All the leaves were on the ground. At first he was feeling sorry for himself. He started to cry. "Poor me, I'm alone." But after a while he realized that it was his own fault. Now he had to spend the winter alone, and he had to prepare to survive. He needed food and somewhere to stay, somewhere to live. He started to look for a place to live, and between some rocks he found a good place. He took branches and leaves to build his nest. It was hard work, but finally he had his own nest and was very happy about it. Then he started to collect food, all kinds of seeds and berries, fruits that he found. He realized that he needed a lot of food to survive the winter. One morning when Sing Sing woke up, it was snow everywhere. The winter had arrived. "Okay," Sing Sing said, "I'm ready." But he felt very lonely. Sing Sing did survive the winter. But he was thinking to himself very often that if he will survive, he will never be lazy again. And he was also thinking a lot of his friends, wondering what they were doing. And one day, it was spring in the air. After a couple of weeks, his friends arrived. They were all very happy to see him, and Sing Sing was very happy to see them, of course. "Come and see! Look what I've done!" he told his friends about all the preparations that he had done. His friends were very happy to see that Sing Sing now was a hard-working bird. They put him in charge for the next long journey. And when the day came, they found that everything was well done and well prepared. They even had time left to make a wake-up song, so that no one never will spend winter alone again.